I'm Angelica, and love is in the air with our new Shadow Me palette, PS I Love You. In this palette, you're getting 9 shades ranging from mattes, shimmers, nudes, and brights to create endless looks. So if you want to see how to melt some hearts using these shades, keep watching. Starting with the shade Mi Amor, I'm sweeping it on my crease as a transition shade. To add some more depth, I'm taking the shade Soulmate and layering it on top. After cutting my crease, I'm applying Passion to the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'm taking Spark and packing that on the center of my lid. Then I'm grabbing Te Amo and adding that to the outer corner of my eyes. To bring everything together, I'm applying a silver glitter line to my crease. Next, I'm applying lashes and mascara. Then I'm going back to Mi Amor and sweeping that on my lower lash line. Lastly, I'm applying the same glitter on my inner corner. To complete this colorful look, I'm applying my LiveGlam Kiss Me Lippy in Paris. After you've created some romantic looks with these shades, make sure to post some pics on the gram and use our hashtag LiveGlamFam so we can show you off. Stay glam!